Hello everyone, we are going to see the practical number 8 of our PP subject, which is passing an array to the function. My name is John Paul and now let's see how we are doing it. So in this practicum, passing an arrays to function, we are going to see the fifth question. So here in this question, we have to find the total and then average of a given array. So the input type is basically the size of the array and then the values of the array consecutively. So first we are giving the prototype float calculate sum. So this will return the total of the array in a float character, and finally float calculate average, which will give the average of the total which you have found using the other function as an float. So first we are using scanf to get the size of an array, and then we for loop and scanf to get the values on the array, and then we are finally passing that array into the calculate sum arr dot comma n. So here how we doing is we are using a variable, integer variable, sum is equal to 0, and we are using for loop to add all the values of the array into the sum variable, and then we are returning the sum, and then we are using this sum into the other function, which is float calculate average, to find the average of the array. So for this, since every return type is float, we are getting effectively getting an accurate decimal values here, and then we are using these two functions inside the main function. And the first is after getting the value, we are using here the calculate sum here, and then we are giving the value of the calculate sum to one variable, and then using that variable to use the function calculate average, and then we are finally printing out and then ending the program by using the return 0. And that's it. Thank you.